It's just a Chrysler 440 with Indy cylinder heads. So it's not a stroker motor. Low compression, 11-to-1 compression, and my quick fuel 950. So.
Transmission?
727.
727. Okay. Roughly. All right.
Yep. And the 9-inch Ford rear end. But yeah, I got the Chrysler 3-speed automatic. It's a 1946. It's actually a Dodge. They didn't make a Plymouth after World War II. They made Plymouth pickups just like this up until World War II. And then after World War II, it was just all Dodges. So I got a Plymouth tailgate. So we bought it in 2010 on Craigslist for $500.
$500.
Yep.
All right.
So yeah, there was all the junk we dragged home. Then we chopped it.
Okay.
Built square box tubing frame rails, and then bought a back half from Checkered Racing. So there's the cab. We chopped it, cut it out, and eventually made a new floor for it.
So you guys did all the work, huh?
Yeah, this is my younger son. This is his brother. He'll be here tomorrow. So that's him doing all the blocking on the roof.
Very cool.
Yeah, there's him sanding. I let it at seam. Bought a tubing bender from Speedway. And we made the cage. And then had a guy tell me how to make it. You know, I did some study and said, okay, you're gonna need to do this, where you need to brace it at and everything.
Okay.
So we can get it certified.
Oh,
so we're
shoot.
850 certified. Chop that grill. That grill is off a 2-ton truck. The grill's a 1934 Dodge 2-ton truck grill. Made the bed. So yeah, I got a Plymouth tailgate at a swap meet. I'm like, oh, we'll put a Plymouth tailgate on it. It's a Plymouth truck. But, so made the tubs for it and made it tilt so we can actually
oh, okay, nice.
You know, if we want to get to the 4-link to do any adjustments, we can just tilt it
nice
up.
and easy.
So there we're building the engine.
Oh, nice. Custom headers?
Yep, made the headers from scratch. A lot of sitting and staring at it to come up with how we wanted to put them on and what shape I wanted for them.
That's awesome that you involved your kids in it, man.
Yep.